Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a small experiment. We're gonna replace the torque arm on that Porsche Cayenne Turbo, and before doing it we're gonna measure the loudness inside the car before replacing it and then after. Let's get started. So now we're gonna measure before installation torque arm, and let's see what's gonna show us, what's the numbers. We're gonna have seatbelts on, all the fans off, radio off. So this is the inside before installing the installation, so we're looking around 57. The 16mm socket and 16, and the T50. Make sure it's all nice and snug. Okay, so we order from mtcparts.com the engine torque rod, and it happened that they sent it to me the original, because the part number here, it's the original one, so which is pretty cool. Anyway, to compare, the old one, it's all loose here, so I can't do it with my phone, but it's all loose. This one is really stiff, and the same with this rubber here. If you touch it, basically it breaks. You can see it like, oh wow, see this? It's not a rubber anymore. And here you can see how nice and soft that is. The same here. Okay, so now we're gonna do it after installation. Let's see what's gonna happen. Wow, so this is after. So that's amazing. So wow, so the results are amazing in my opinion. In my case, I really could feel the difference, and when you start the car there's less vibration, less noise. You're gonna feel it. So if your Cayenne has over 100,000 miles, I would really highly recommend it replacing that rubber. It costs only 85. This whole torque arm, it only costs like around $85 on eBay, and the results are really nice, especially in my case. So, and the numbers don't lie. Even with measuring with that shitty device for $25, you could see that it's around 5-6 dB less. And I was doing those measurements exactly in the garage, basically without cold start, nothing like that. So that's really nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe, and next time I'm gonna do installing the hood installation and see if that makes the difference. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure you are enjoying working on your car.